The Kid Rocky, man. You know, when you see this face, you know it's real. Here goes some real talk. I think a lot. Is that what makes me me? Nah. No. I focus a lot. That's what makes me me. And the more I focus, the more I get the download. Me and my sons, you know, we was reading a book today. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. That's the book we've been reading the past couple days. Because we don't just read straight through it, you know, we read it, make sure we comprehend and everything. You know, I read it probably 18 times or so. My point is, it made me think about education when I went into meditative mode. We think about education. And I remember, I can't remember where I first heard it, but when I looked into it, it was correct. The word education does come from the Latin word educo, which means to educe. Now, if you know what it is to induce, then you know that educe is the opposite of that. So it's to draw out from, you know, it's to educe something is to draw something from out of you and make it so real that the rest of the natural world can see it. Now, so that's what education really is, drawing out from you. It was it on purpose or not? That's not the scope of this video, but yes, it was on purpose. But when education got replaced with information, that's when everything got messed around. When education got replaced with information, that's when everything got messed around. If you got kids, I want you to play this video at least 10 times. And it sounds simple, and it is simple, but it's not easy. Soak this up. Like, really soak this up. I'm not just saying random shit, you know what I mean? I got a lot of sons, and I got a lot of daughters. So how do you really educate? You teach them to find out what they like. How do they find out what they like? They use their imagination. That's the first part to it. The second part is to go out and actually do things. And when they actually do things, they'll find out what they don't like. That'll help them further along. We call that trials and tribulations. Once they find out what they don't like, it's like narrowing it down, makes it easier for them to find out what they do like. When they find out what they do like, then you educe it out of them, or they educe it out of themselves. You get them to focus on the things that they want. Focus is paramount. You get them to focus on the things they want, the way they want to be looked at, the way they want to be perceived, the way they want to live, the things they want, the knowledge they want. You get them to zero in on that, get tunnel vision, focus. The word of the day is focus. The second word of the day is educe. With that being said, I'm out. Quick video. Please soak this up. Please soak this up.